ZTE A20 5G may come with under-screen camera, ZTE President Nifei teases. ZTE A20 5G could be the first phone to come with an under-the-screen camera, so it can be fully borderless without a notch on the display. Nifei, ZTE's president for mobile devices, shared a post on Chinese microblogging website Weibo saying the company will bring the first smartphone with an under-screen camera. While the post itself does not reveal that it will be the ZTE A20 5G, it was shared from the ZTE A20 5G under-screen phone, hinting at the name. Additionally, a phone with model number ZTE A2121, which is believed to be the ZTE A20, was spotted on State Radio Regulation of China, SRRC, certification website. As per the Weibo post by Fei, ZTE will come out with the world's first smartphone with an under-screen camera. The post has the tag showing it was posted from a ZTE A20 5G under-screen camera, which looks like a safe indicator of what the phone will be called. A ZTE phone with model number ZTE A2121 was spotted on State Radio Regulation of China, SRRC, certification website. It is believed to be the ZTE A20 5G, however, the listing only tells us that the phone will have 5G support, which is already known by the name. The report also suggests that the phone could be launched as an Axon series phone, like the ZTE Axon 10 Pro 5G that launched in February this year or the ZTE Axon 11 5G that launched in March. The Axon 10 Pro 5G has model number A2020 while the Axon 11 5G has model number A2021, which suggests that the phone with model number A2121 could launch as another Axon smartphone. Further, it is speculated that for the under-display camera technology, ZTE might make use of China-based Visionox's solution, as the company started mass-producing this technology last month, as per an older report by Gizmo China. Visionox supplies OLED displays to a number of manufacturers including Huawei, Xiaomi, Oppo, and others. Notably, Oppo and Xiaomi have, in the past, teased this technology, but it has not made its way into any of their phones. As of now, very little is known about the ZTE A20 5G or whatever it may end up being called, and there is no information on availability or pricing. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.